Hello and welcome. My name is Alan, and today, well, first of all, Happy New Year, being as it is the first. But anyway, today we are talking about why are prices still so fucking high? I mean, seriously. You know, everybody keeps going, oh, the economy's getting better, it's getting better, it's getting better. Well, most of the metrics they normally use to measure the economy, yes, is getting better. Forbes, inflation slows again in November 2023. Wall Street Journal, stocks jump after the Fed gives Wall Street what it had hoped for. Fortune magazine, the unemployment rate just dropped to 3.7%, and experts say it's another soft landing signal that will leave the Fed in limbo. Yet, people are still struggling. Despite the fact that, oh, all these signals are telling us we've got a great economy. The problem is, guys, these don't tell us the whole picture. It really doesn't. It's more banks and stocks and stuff like that is what it really covers. Because for the average person, prices are still way, way up there. And yet, these companies who are crying, oh, we have to raise prices because of inflation, are making record profits. So, yeah, there's some math that's not fucking adding up. This is from The Guardian. It is over a year, but yeah. Corporate greed, not wages, is behind inflation. It's time for price controls. Absolutely. It is price gouging. It is not, oh, it's the inflation. No, you're making fucking record profits, and the prices are still well above what they should be. Prices should be dropping. Everything else in the economic spectrum seems to be doing well, but for some odd reason, you're all making record profits and prices are still sky high. To me, it don't sound like it's inflation. It sounds like it's price gouging. From the Hill, GDP, gross domestic product, and corporate profits soar as Biden calls out companies for price gouging. Yeah. If you can get these companies to go, okay, fine, we'll lower prices, that would do a fucking lot. If they don't, hit them hard. Hit them hard with fines. We're talking $1 million fines. Several $1 million fines. I mean, even because consumer spending heats up. Because, I mean, you've got to buy stuff. It is price gouging. This is something I've pointed out over and over and over. People where I live, they don't accept that. No, we're being told inflation. That's what we choose to believe. It's the supply chains and stuff. All that's been fixed. It's price gouging. Period. Absolutely clear that it's price gouging. Fine the companies multi-million-dollar fines. Because the pain they are putting on the average consumer is huge. If Biden wants to do something that helps his fucking chances really, he can push back on these damn companies who are price gouging. Because everything else in the economy is up. Is doing great. But the prices are still there and companies are still making record profits. Interesting. Yeah. There is price gouging. I mean, this is obvious to anybody. Anybody. So yeah. But this isn't a long video. I just wanted to mention this and say, hey, it's pretty clear. It's pretty obvious. This is what's making life hard right now, is pure and utter corporate greed. Period. Absolutely. It's not inflation. It's not supply chains. That all is disappearing. It's still price gouging! Surprise! Surprise! Anyway, we'll go ahead and end this episode here. As always, educate thyself. Think, read, study, learn. Someone tells you something you have trouble believing, ask them to cite their sources. I'll be putting these links in the description box below the video. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next one. Until then, later.